From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Ladies and gentlemen, when a senior police officer of the Bihar police is forcefully held back, what the DGP says is some form of arrest, quarantined as soon as he lands in Mumbai, it raises suspicion. Tonight, the attempt to block the investigation and shut the Sushant death case is very clearly evident, but we cannot let this happen. And we will not. Let's debate.
क्या मुंबई पुलिस सही दिशा में जांच कर रही थी सर? नेपोटिज्म को लेकर कई बड़े-बड़े लोगों को आप लोग ने बुलाया, लेकिन अब मामला बिल्कुल अलग दिखाई दे रहा है।
The press conference is over.
सर मामला बिल्कुल सर रिया के बयान से क्या कुछ निकल के आया सर?
Please switch off the cameras now.
चलो please चलो यहाँ.
I don't like this kind of behavior in my press conference. I am extremely upset with this.
एक सवाल.
Let it be it is not a fish market. It was agreed. Only two persons will ask questions.
Yes, sir.
It was agreed.
One question that we are upset that
please switch off the cameras.
Sir, we are upset that media
Please switch off the cameras.
Press conference.
Sir,
Please switch off the cameras.
not informed.
We were not
Please switch off the cameras. We will talk about it.
We are also upset, sir, that we were not informed. Sir, we were not informed.
Chalo.
That does not mean you will behave in a disorderly manner.
A little past noon, Mumbai Police Commissioner held a news conference with friendly media channels. Republic Media Network was blocked.
नॉन कॉपरेशन का सवाल ही नहीं उठता. लीगली हम एग्जामिन कर रहे हैं कि जुरिस्डिक्शन उनका बनता है कि नहीं बनता. हम उसके हिसाब से जो भी हमारे पास करेक्ट लीगल, मैंने कहा कि मेरी जानकारी के हिसाब से तो जुरिस्डिक्शन हमारी बनती है. अगर उनके पास कोई जुरिस्डिक्शन के बारे में कोई विशेष अधिकार है तो हमको बताया जाए. हम नॉन कॉपरेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम लीगल कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं, प्रोफेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं.
On Sunday, it was more than evident that there is an attempt to block the investigation being carried out by Bihar police. IPS officer Vinay Tiwari, who landed in Mumbai to lead the investigation, was quarantined forcefully against the rules.
BMC के चीफ को आज एक पत्र लिख रहे हैं, अनुरोध कर रहे हैं कि ये उचित नहीं हुआ है.
ये ठप्पा जो लगाया गया, मुहर जो लगाया गया, उसको अपमानजनक नहीं मानते आप?
नहीं, इसको इमोशनल होने से नहीं. जिसको आप क्वारंटाइन करेंगे उसको ठप्पा तो लगाना ही पड़ेगा. वो इशू नहीं है. इशू ये है कि इसकी जरूरत नहीं थी.
This case has now exploded nationally. The tremors were felt in Bihar Assembly where slogans for justice were raised.
After a senior Bihar government official talking to a senior official here at the MHA back in New Delhi, now New Delhi has sought a report from Maharashtra that what exactly is going down. And in addition, we have just been told that IG Patna is going to write to BMC. So yes, all of this is happening because let there be no doubt about it that Mumbai police, Maharashtra government wants to keep one side of this murder mystery completely sealed. They do not want the facts of the matter to come out. They do not want certain particular individuals to be interrogated. They do not want certain individuals to be arrested because Bihar police wanted to arrest individuals. They were not allowed.
The Mumbai police has come under heavy scrutiny for its inconsistencies and refusal to investigate the Disha link.
सर, बिहार पुलिस का ये आरोप है कि आप लोगों के पास जो दिशा सालियान का जो फाइल्स थे वो
बंद करो.
सर सिर्फ जो फाइल्स थे जो सर बिहार पुलिस का कहना है कि आप
इंक्वायरी चल रही है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है.
सर जो फाइल्स को मतलब जो गलती से डिलीट कर दी गई कि ये बात सच है?
आपको पता होगा क्या है.
सर इस केस में एफआईआर तो दर्ज किया गया पर क्या इस पर किसी का स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड?
तुम ऐसा
सर स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया गया कोई?
बंद करो ना तुम, बंद करो ना. चलो.
सर स्टेटमेंट कोई रिकॉर्ड किया?
इंक्वायरी चालू है, समझेंगे नहीं.
सर इसकी डिटेल कहाँ तक इसकी इंक्वायरी, किसकी स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड की गई सर?
So is there a deliberate attempt to block the investigation? Let's debate.
I want to start with you, Ajay Alok, and you can start debating with Ravi Srivastava. How long are we going to remain witness to this disgraceful behavior of the Mumbai police? For how long are we supposed to take this? They don't want any questions on the Disha Salian case. Why? Why, Ravi?
With today's revelation,
yeah, Ajay Alok and Ravi opening the debate, yeah.
With today's revelations by Mr. O.P. Singh's WhatsApp chat with the Mumbai DCP, today it is ample clear that Mumbai police is not in an investigating mode. Mumbai police stands to be a co-accused now, and let Supreme Court take this matter day after tomorrow. A co-accused cannot be allowed to investigate, because Mumbai police was in the know-how since 25th February that there is a threat. And look at the kind of explanation the Commissioner of Police has given, that the information was given on WhatsApp and a written application was sought, which he said it is not possible. Let them know this thing very clearly that in 2019...
It's okay. They've got time.
In last 10 years, what did you do for him?
Please listen to me.
If you raise the audio, I will. Thank you.
That's not to win over something.
When you want to play a vote bank politics, you want to appease the people of Bihar.
Why are you shouting? Just listen.
You have rigged up Sushant Singh Rajput case.
Ravi, just listen.
How shameless you people are.
Ravi's audio is not.
What kind of Bihari are you? What Bihari? Sushant Singh Rajput was a Bihari. Did anybody knew in the world? You remembered it now.
Keep shut with your...
Ajay Alok is on the debate. Ajay Alok.
Case has opened up. You remember that Sushant Singh Rajput belongs to Bihar.
Sushant Singh Rajput belongs to Bihar, and what kind of a regional statement you are getting into it? We are talking of something important. Keep your low-graded comment with yourself.
Now you are calling
replace.
Keep your low-graded comment with yourself. I am not interested in debating today with that man.
You guys were sleeping.
And please lower his video here. He doesn't seem to understand anything.
Why didn't your police came earlier? Why the FIR
just keep quiet. Police can only come when an FIR is lodged. You are very low on your IQ today.
I am not defending.
You are very low on your IQ today.
They are not naive.
You are very low on your IQ today.
Ravi, thanks.
Supreme Court, they will have to reply after
Ravi, thanks. I'd like Ketan to come into the debate right now. Vikas and Ketan are on the debate. Calm down, everyone, please. Ravi, at some point you must stop. Question is not of jurisdiction. I think a very critical question has been raised today. And I'm 100% sure that the Supreme Court will look into it. Thank you, Ravi. I said thank you to you. You want to... Ravi, I'll have to shut your faders down. I'm requesting you. No, thank you.
Vikas Dubey was encountered in UP. Can you file the FIR?
I'm making a request to the producer. I'm making a request to you that I'm talking. I mentioned Vikas and Ketan. I mentioned Vikas and Ketan are debating right now with Ajay Alok and Savio. Can you calm down, please? Can we have them on the screen? Thank you. So just be quiet for a while. Don't take liberty just because you're on the screen. The question is...
Can you just tell me one thing, Ajay Alok?
Yeah.
No, Arnab, 1 minute. Ajay Alok, can you tell me one thing? Yeah, this WhatsApp, this threat was from whom? This threat to Sushant was from whom? World at large or from
the WhatsApp exchanges. Let me describe this to the viewers again. 1 minute. Ajay, 1 minute. Ajay, 1 minute. Ajay, 1 minute. Let me explain this to the viewers. I'll show you the WhatsApps in the middle of the screen. He says, what are these WhatsApps? Viewers, what are these WhatsApps we are speaking about? Remember, I told you 10 days back that there were WhatsApp exchange. Here it is, viewers. This is WhatsApp exchange, I said, on the 25th of February 2020 between the family which was putting an official appeal to the Mumbai police. And if you see the WhatsApp, they are to the DCP of Bandra, the then DCP of Bandra. And in the WhatsApp, the family, and it goes from a senior police officer to another police officer, because Sushant Rajput's brother-in-law is an IPS officer. He put out an appeal on behalf of the family saying that there is a threat to his life. And there are full details that they were seeking his protection. The Mumbai police did nothing. Now, Vikas, whom means to the DCP? Do you understand English? DCP, Deputy Commissioner of Police.
Threat from whom?
They have mentioned that he has been taken. They have mentioned Ria.
Threat from whom?
They have mentioned. If you care to listen and stop being repetitive. If you want to be repetitive, I can also be repetitive and I can be quite straightforward in response. I don't want to be too blunt with you, then you'll say I'm being impolite. I am telling you out here today from whom. This is a forewarning on the 25th of February to the DCP Paramjeet of Bandra. The WhatsApp message says, Sushant called up my wife to be rescued. So there is a threat to his life since February. The Mumbai police did not act on it. The Mumbai police commissioner should actually issue a national explanation. The father is writing to the Mumbai DCP. He is going downhill. Riya is putting he should not hurt himself. And therefore, my question to you is, by not acting, the Mumbai police has enabled Sushant's death. That's why Ajay Alok is saying that somebody who's enabled Sushant's death cannot now investigate it. Do you understand that? The Supreme Court will not allow it.
Police can't do
The Supreme Court will not allow it.
Messages at all. A live-in relationship is as Arnab, a living relationship is as good as a wife.
It is not about a living relationship, it's about a threat to a person's life which has been put on record.
Let me tell you one thing. And it has to be taken as an FIR. According to Delhi High Court,
there's a complete breakdown of Sushant Singh communication with his father. Ajay Alok, either you speak or you allow me to speak. Arey bhaiya, Ajay Alok, allow me to speak. I know you are politicians, you don't have the habit of listening to others. Allow me to speak and then you comment.
Okay, go ahead.
Allow me to speak.
Show your ignorance. Yeah.
Ajay, what I'm saying is a live-in relationship is as good as a husband and a wife relationship, and this has been upheld by the Apex Court in 2015 itself. Now, importantly, 30 seconds, Arnab, just 30 seconds. There was a complete breakdown on relationship between Sushant and his father.
It is not about relationship, it is about the family. He's putting on record that there is a threat to his life and the Mumbai police not acting on it. What are you talking about? Don't trivialize this matter. Savio is on the debate with you, Savio.
Why didn't the family...
You want to blame the family, viewers.
Why didn't the family come and visit Sushant?
Did they bring the body down? Did the Mumbai police see the body of Sushant Singh hanging?
He was a 34-year-old man who took his own decisions.
There
who was in Mumbai world
coming out as to what happened to Sushant's body. So why is the Mumbai police not telling the people of India what was the crime scene or the death scene of Sushant Rajput?
Arey, why you are shifting from WhatsApp? You've gone to body now. From body you will go to somewhere else.
They did not see him hanging. Did they see him hanging? No, they did not.
Answer to the WhatsApp question.
Ketan and Savio. Ketan on the right.
Because they have not.
Bombay police is not obliged to tell you everything.
Okay, let's not get very sarkari in this. If someone says, if a family says that there is a genuine threat to someone's life, then that complaint is enough. Even if it's the WhatsApp form, it's enough. The real question is, did DCP Dahiya elevate it to his boss, the Commissioner of Police? Because today the Commissioner of Police says that he doesn't know about this complaint. Whereas the...
Ketan, Savio 1 minute, Savio 1 minute. Ketan, just wait a while. Ketan, wait a while. You began by saying, and Rahul Narvekar is on, just listen. Rahul Narvekar and you will debate.
Audio got cut.
You have said, no, I can hear you, Ketan. Relax. You said, can you hear me, Ketan? Can you hear me? We'll fix his audio. Viewers, if you can get your earpiece back, and Rahul Narvekar, who's on the debate with you, is both a BJP leader as well, legislator and lawyer. So now they want to argue legally. So we argue legally. Ketan's defense. Ketan, get your earpiece back, please. And everyone calm down on this. Remember, viewers, we are going to win this. We are going to win this, and how? This is going to make history. We are going to win this. Sujay Kantawala is with us today. He's a top lawyer of Mumbai. He knows we are going to win this for Sushant. A question here is, Ketan, you said today, so let's not get sarkari about it. You said, suppose the family complained to the Mumbai police DCP that Sushant's life was under threat. But you went on to say, the Mumbai police commissioner said he never knew. That's it, right? So basically you have said that unless, 1 minute, you said that unless the family proves they contacted Parambir Singh directly, there is no culpability of the Mumbai police. This is crazy. If someone were to contact Parambir Singh directly, you would have said, wait, Mr. Not Get Sarkari with me, wait. If someone were to contact Parambir Singh directly, Rahul Narvekar, then Ketan Vaidya would have said, how could you contact the Mumbai Commissioner directly? Go via the proper procedure through the DCP. When you go through the DCP, you say, but the Commissioner did not know. We are talking to an entity called the Mumbai Police. The Mumbai Police knew there was a threat to Sushant's life. Yes. 1 minute, please. I got distracted. Rahul Narvekar is on the left. 1 minute. Rahul Narvekar is on the left. The debate is with Rahul. Did the Mumbai police know? Yes. Were they duly informed? Yes. Is there proof of that? Yes. Did they do anything? No. Did Sushant die? Yes.
When the Mumbai police were informed?
What? Of course. You want me to read out?
Yeah, the Mumbai police were informed that DCP may have failed to elevate it to the
May have failed.
And I'm
Sushant died.
I'm not bailing out the Mumbai police at all.
May have failed. Rahul Narvekar.
But building a hyperbole and a superlative argument.
Those are your words. Hyperbole, superlative, hyperbolic are your words. They don't mean a thing. Yes, please.
Irrelevant and most illogical arguments on TV. He perhaps has a lot to hide and perhaps has a lot to explain. And the best way to get out of this kind of a situation is to make ridiculous and absolutely illogical arguments which he's making right now. Number one, I must place on record that as a member of Legislative Assembly who represents the city of Mumbai, it is most unfortunate that a police force which was recognized to be one of the best police forces in the world today has reduced itself and being alleged to be a bias and a partial police force. This is very, very unfortunate. And this is not what public representatives are saying. This is not what political parties are saying. This is what the general public sentiment is today. And if there is anyone who's responsible for this, it is the Sena, Congress, NCP government. This is a government of disasters. This is a government of malice. This is a government of failures. And they have failed to give justice to the people of the city and to the people of the state. Now let me take them head on with regards to the so-called...
I didn't know we are discussing this conclusion. I thought we were discussing the Sushant Singh
who are the political
case.
bosses of the police force? And why is the government filing caveats? And why don't they want a CBI inquiry in this? When there is clearly evidence to show that the investigation has not proceeded in the manner it should have, when they have not investigated things which they should have investigated, when they've come to a conclusion before trial, before investigation, that this is a case of suicide and nothing more than that, what does that reflect? That reflects the preset mindset of this government and the police force which works under this government. They are working as per the dictats of their political bosses. Why is the government shying away from handing over this case to the CBI? Give me one good reason. I will give you 5 other examples. Similar cases where the cases have been handed over to the CBI. What about the Jia Khan case? Why was that handed over to the CBI? Because there was nothing to hide. The government wasn't afraid. You are afraid, and that's why you don't want to hand over the case to CBI.
What are you trying to say? Who are you trying to target? Are you trying to say someone is a culprit out there? Who is it?
That's a bad audio. We'll improve your audio and get you back, Andrea. We'll improve your audio and get you back. We have Manasvi on the right. We have Rahul Narvekar and Ajay Alok out there. Listen, Ketan. So Rahul Narvekar, Ajay Alok, and we have Manasvi, we have Ketan on the right. See, don't get into this trivial argument that just because a politician is asking questions, it's a politicization. Please go by the facts of the case. Ajay Alok also wanted to join your hands with Rahul on this. See, I am asking substantial questions. Why was Sushant Singh Rajput changing SIM cards? True. Okay, like that. Okay, now that you should analyze the cell tower dump data if the Mumbai police knows investigation. They should investigate and analyze the cell tower dump data. Who all entered the scene of death? Right? Sandeep Singh, who does not even reside with Sushant, says, I did not enter the room, but I saw the room from outside. The Mumbai Police Commissioner is saying the flat was sealed that day itself. What is the truth? Has the Mumbai Police Commissioner been misinformed, or is he misinforming? These are not political arguments. What is the Disha Salian connection? Sushant's family friend Smita Parikh says that before Disha's death, he was playing TT. He finished advanced sessions of yoga. After Disha's death, he feared for his life. He told his sister, they will chase me now. Who are the they who we are talking about out here? Ajay, see, these are serious questions, Manasvi. Understand? Why was his staff systematically changed? These are suspicious facts. Why was there sellotape near the ligature marks? Why would someone committing suicide put sellotape on their neck? Please, Ajay, let me ask this question. Why would someone committing suicide put sellotape around near their neck?
Can I make my point?
I'll just
Ajay first and then you, Manasvi. Yeah.
See, Manasvi and Ketan, you said that the DCP was informed, he might not have informed the Commissioner of Police. That's absolutely a baseless argument, because today Commissioner of Police has released a letter in which he's saying that there was some WhatsApp conversation with the DCP, and when subsequently a written complaint was asked, it was denied. They said they want an informal inquiry. Okay. That's what the reply came from Commissioner Office. That means Commissioner was knowing there was a WhatsApp chat going on. And number two, 2019, Delhi High Court clearly says an email, SMS, message, WhatsApp chat, anything which is pertaining to a threat to a life shall be treated like an FIR. So that question is over. So Mumbai police deliberately ignored that 25th February message. That means Mumbai police abetted the crime. It becomes as a co-accused.
Yeah.
How can a co-accused can be put in charge of investigation?
So right.
This is the simple logic I will place in front of a Supreme Court as a lawyer, not as a layman. Lawyer will use different technical terms. So basically, if you see, this whole thing is now getting more murkier and murkier.
So
now earlier we were thinking, Bihar police was thinking in terms of abetting of suicide.
Arguments forward.
Now a murder angle is definitely there.
And on top of all these things, Manasvi, one last point.
Ajay, can I respond to you? Ajay, can I respond? The case to the CBI. The impartiality of the Mumbai police is certainly a question mark.
Certainly, without doubt.
All the more reason why this has to be handed over to CBI.
Yeah, so let me make my point, please. Rahul ji, let me make my point. See, first of all, there cannot be any blockage or any cover-up by anyone, because the entire media, the entire fans, the entire social media is on this particular investigation. There cannot be any kind of cover-up. Further to this, there are a couple of investigations going on. There is a Bihar investigation going on. There is a Mumbai investigation going on. There is a Twitter investigation. There is a YouTube investigation going on. We have lots of experts which have come out. Now, on the jurisdictional point, I would want to say, I would not get into the detail of it. There is a FIR which is being registered in the Bihar police station.
What is the jurisdiction of truth?
Can easily give this particular case
what is the jurisdiction of truth? Let me ask you a question today. Manasvi, listen, Manasvi, don't repeat the first year LLB arguments before me. Listen to me. Don't repeat first year LLB arguments before me. Calm down, relax, control yourself. Don't repeat it. Your jurisdiction. Arey bhai, listen to me. 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 Calm down, yeah, Manasvi. You're in Gujarat, no? You're in Ahmedabad, no? Suppose something terrible happens in Ahmedabad. God forbid, suppose there is a murder. And suppose your local police is complicit in protecting the murderer and those associated with him. You want the murder solved. The police says, listen, Manasvi, get lost. If it's a murder, if I want to cover up the murder, it is my job because it happened in my area. Then you will go and say that, listen, I challenge your jurisdiction because there are a million facts which question your objectivity. And suppose on top of it, listen, suppose hypothetically you bring proof, written proof, evidential proof like I have proven today, that the police knew in Ahmedabad that the murder is going to happen, allowed the murder to happen, and now says we will allow, having allowed the murder to happen, we will allow a cover-up of the murder. And then if you go complaining and crying saying it is injustice, and the police there tells you, listen, Manasvi, get lost, this is our jurisdiction, then you will ask tomorrow, what is the jurisdiction of truth? And tell me the perimeter of falsehood.
I am asking a simple thing that...
Don't give me rubbish arguments.
Sushant done,
the courts will not allow it.
The government can easily give, in one particular stroke, they can give this investigation to CBI. It can end all
exactly.
The
courts have to.
The government is having that right. They can hand over this case to CBI. What is stopping?
Where have you been, Manasvi?
To CBI. Let us assume and believe that Maharashtra government is incapable, but we demand justice for Sushant. And for Sushant.
Now you've woken up. Ajay, now Manasvi is woken up.
The CBI.
Now listen, had on Monday, Mumbai police would have given a written to Bihar that please don't investigate, this is not your jurisdiction, go back. We would have gone for a CBI inquiry immediately. Mumbai police allowed Bihar police to stay for the last 8 days, never gave anything in writing, inofficial. That's what we are demanding today. Give it in official writing that this is not our jurisdiction. We'll go back.
They wanted, and Sujay is on.
They wanted a long stretch.
No.
So you want a written permission from Mumbai police to investigate? You are saying that you are waiting for them to give you a jurisdiction certificate.
Sujay will respond to you, please. You know, Manasvi, you argue theoretically. Manasvi, you argue theoretically. I'd like Sujay to come in. Sujay, what do you think?
Arnab, the moment the message was received by a police officer in uniform that there is an information regarding a cognizable offense, he has no other option but to act. You don't need a written complaint. What is dial 100? What is a citizen's helpline? You don't file written complaints over there. You inform the police station that this is the problem. Look into it. They are supposed to look into it. The Supreme Court, larger benches have held. There is no other option but to investigate. Whenever a police officer receives information, not proof, information about a cognizable, non-bailable offense, he has to act. That's the mandate of the law. And that is the dignity in death that Sushant deserves.
Precisely.
The Constitution of India says that just as the right to privacy is your fundamental right, it is dignity in death also which is the fundamental right of a citizen.
So Sujay, assuming here today that there was a specific reference to Riya Chakrabarti and the threat to life in the complaint that had been made by the family to the DCP, right? So, yes. So by not acting, would it be fair for us to say that the police weighed in favor of the accused, the people against whom allegations were made? Because inaction helps the people against whom the allegations are made. In this case, Riya Chakrabarti and the people close to her. The beneficiaries of the Mumbai police inaction then were Riya Chakrabarti. The beneficiaries of Mumbai police's inaction now is Riya Chakrabarti. Why does Parambir want to protect Riya Chakrabarti and their cohorts? But it's not only about Riya Chakrabarti, it's about the Disha case. The bottom line is, and you know what I'm talking about out here, Shreya, you know the conversation now. The entire conversation in the country today is about Disha. Who killed Disha? Who were the people who were present at the party she attended on the 8th? Where was the party held? Were there politicians there? Were there movie personalities there? What happened to Disha? Did she make a phone call to Sushant? What did she tell Sushant? Did Sandeep Singh and Sushant speak after that? Why was Sushant disturbed about that after that? Why was he about to do a press conference? Why did he feel there was a threat to his life? None of these things, Shreya, the Mumbai police wants to investigate. I'm asking you whether you feel as an observer that this is where the investigation should now start.
Absolutely. It is shocking that Mumbai police has in 45 days not started any investigation on it. It had not even filed a FIR. When you don't file a FIR, you cannot start an investigation. So we want to know what were you doing for 45 days. And those people who are trying to say that we are trying to politicize the situation or talking about jurisdiction, you are not aware of the sequence of events. So please apprise yourself before you start screaming and hogging limelight. Mumbai police was given 45 days to do this work. Why was Mumbai police not taking the statement of Meetu Singh? Let's talk about the law and how it works. Don't talk about the jurisdiction right now, because the jurisdiction did not go to the Bihar police on its own. The family waited for 45 days for Mumbai police to, the sister wanted to let the Mumbai police know that Disha Salian's death left that threatening impact on Sushant Singh Rajput, but nobody wanted to listen to her.
Yes.
Nobody wanted to hear her.
Yes.
What is this happening? She is forced to go back to Bihar and tell her father that, listen, this is happening. Mumbai police is not taking my statement. When she's forced,
Correct.
the father is forced to get the FIR done in Patna, which is Bihar. So by politicizing and saying these incredibly ignorant things, you are showing that you are not interested in truth. You are not interested in Sushant Singh Rajput. And you are shamelessly, Mr. Ravi, you are shamelessly saying things like this, that who knew Sushant Singh Rajput was a Bihari or whatever. We are not interested in if Sushant Singh Rajput was a Bihari or not.
Very good. Shreya, continue. Shreya, continue.
Sushant Singh Rajput is a human being. He is an Indian citizen. He must get justice.
Shreya.
You, sir, do not know any facts. You have just come on the program to speak. You have just come on the program to speak. You are not aware of any facts. You are not even aware of law. Please go and get some information at least on law before you come. Sorry, sir. Exactly. How did Disha Salian's file get deleted? Why is Mumbai police saying that Disha Salian's file got deleted? Sir, there are so many factors which Mumbai police needs to redeem itself. Mumbai police needs to redeem itself and come out with something right now. Or Maharashtra government needs to redeem itself and ask the CBI, transfer the case to CBI. Please do not start speaking without knowing facts. Sir, you do not know anything.
Shreya.
I'm sorry to say, please forgive me, but you do have no facts. You have no facts and you are just speaking out of your hat, which is such a sorry state of affairs. You are so elderly, you should speak. You should open your mouth after knowing the facts, sir. It is so bad that you are politicizing the issue. You are coming here and shamelessly politicizing the issue. And I condemn every politician who is coming here. I condemn every politician who is coming here and doing politics. We want truth. We want truth.
Why in 45 days no friend came out and gave the statement to the police?
Absolutely, because they were
Where was the friend hiding that time? Where was the cook hiding that time? Where was Pitania hiding those times? Why did they go to the police and give the statement?
When the sister is going to the police,
I find it bizarre, Ravi, and Shreya, Ravi, will you, Shreya, you speak, Ravi, you speak every day. Let Shreya speak today. She's speaking very well. She's speaking very reasonably. She's asking the correct questions. And there's one more thing, Shreya, may I add one thing to you? You spoke very well, first of all. And don't get bogged down by people like Ravi, because they do these tactics. Fact of the matter is, Shreya, the Mumbai Police Commissioner said today, and Sujay, this is he says, I have recorded the statement of the family. I've got the statement. Here it is, signed. Signed. He shows it. There it is, signed. Fact is, I want to ask the Mumbai Police Commissioner, when was the statement taken? Be quiet, Ravi. I can shout you down 1,000 times over. I'm being polite to you because you are much senior. So be quiet, sir. Be quiet, sir. Ravi, stop shouting, Ravi. You can't shout me down, Ravi. The Mumbai Police Commission. Be quiet, sir, because because you're senior, you take advantage of it, and I also sometimes allow you to get away with this kind of behavior. But as I'm compelled to repeat what Shreya said, that please hold your horses and step back.
Let them go back on the...
Do you know the sentiment among people on this?
What sentiment, yeah? Law does not...
What sentiment, yeah? Law does not appreciate. Tell me where in the law does it take you cannot record a statement again? Tell me. Tell me where does it say it's not sentiment alone? A statement can be recorded again.
Sir, you are mistaken.
A statement can be recorded again. Viewers, 1 minute. Viewers, just a minute. Let me explain this. Parambir Singh is saying, I have recorded the statement of the family over and out. Who the hell do you think you are, Parambir Singh? You're telling me that the father, the family cannot record another statement with fresh facts? You're telling me that the evidence that they are now bringing before you, the family of the victim cannot make another point before you? You show such massive inflexibility. The whole world is now linking it to Disha. What are you nervous about, Parambir, that you will not allow Disha's death to be investigated? Aren't you talking about it? Shreya, tell me what today. In the circles that you're in, your professional circles, isn't everyone talking about Disha? Tell me, Shreya, isn't this the talking point? How long will we speak in whispers? And why should we? Isn't Disha's death the #1 talking point, the point of concern? Shreya?
Absolutely. We want to know what happened in Disha Salien's case. When Mumbai police says that the file is deleted, can you imagine? Can you even think that how can a police department even say something like this, that the file is deleted? It's absolutely exposing itself. Mumbai police really needs to redeem itself right now, because the time is running out. More than that, you know, once I would like to clarify about this. He says that why did not the friends come out and give the statement to police? The sister is coming, who was present there. She was present there with the dead body. She wants to give the statement. The Mumbai police is not taking her statement. Do you think if I know certain facts about the case, I would wait for the police to actually ask me? But here police is not interested in asking me. I am going to the police and saying that take my statement, take my statement. The police is not interested. What's happening? This is unheard of. Anybody who is in know of law and knows that how law works will find it absolutely blasphemous and unbelievable. I do not know how Mr. Manasvi has been talking
as per the law.
Not having
Shreya, let me get Sujay on this. Sujay, as per the law, can the family change their statement, give a fresh statement in view of new emerging facts or not? Sujay.
In the course of an investigation, if some new facts come on record, definitely a fresh statement can be recorded. It's not the end of the world.
Then tell me, Sujay. Then tell me, Ajay.
One more thing.
Ajay,
if that.
Okay, sure.
One more thing.
Yeah, please.
Even during a trial, for example, if some accused are not made, some persons are not made accused to the charge sheet, and if the judge smells something fishy, he can order that those people should be issued summons and made accused. So therefore, idea is to do justice and find out the truth. That is the quest of every investigation.
I follow this. Then why this argument about jurisdiction? If that is the case, tell me, Ajay, isn't it extremely suspicious, Ajay and Ketan, that the Mumbai Police Commissioner wants to go by the statements that he has already recorded? And my information is they recorded the father's statement soon after he had cremated his son. What was the hurry to do that? Why was he called by the DCP Trimukhe and made to record a statement then and there? So I find it very strange that the father's statement was recorded then and there, right? Whereas the biggies of Bollywood statement were recorded only after Kangana's interview. This is very suspicious behavior by the Mumbai police. A, B, they do not want, they said within 15 minutes, they said Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide. In the absence of any suicide note. They announced it and then Anil Deshmukh said suicide. And Mumbai Police Commissioner says, I have done Google searches. I know what his Google searches were. That proves that he committed suicide. What kind of kindergarten investigation is this? Ravi, there's no point shaking your head. Yeah.
Samna writes a column that why investigation is happening by 4 to 6 hours. It's a clear-cut case of suicide.
And what
is the media rampage going on all throughout that Sushant was a depressed, he was a psycho. After his death, imagine they have been maligning him continuously. Had Bihar government not interfered and Bihar police not interfered in the last 7 days, the face of this case would have been different. If Sushant's father wouldn't have filed an FIR with Bihar government and we wouldn't have gone there investigating, this case would have been closed as a suicide case. Just let me tell you, that was the motive from the beginning, right from day one.
And at this stage, I have 10 minutes, viewers. What I'm going to do is open debate now. So feel free to come in. But I'll tell you, I'm going to take a few of your messages today. I want to hear your voice. I want to hear your voice. Savio, should we do that?
Of course we should.
Let the world. Yeah, let's get the tweets out, viewers. And I'm saying today We put it clearly, reopen the Disha Salian case. The truth in Sushant's death, I'm saying today with full responsibility, is in finding out why Disha died, Savio. And who all were present at the party. Yeah? Yeah?
Disha Salian's case is linked to Sushant's death as well.
100%.
They are both linked. Both the cases are linked. Who was ever at that party, whether they were actors, whether they were politicians,
yeah,
it needs to be investigated. Sushant's death is linked to Disha Salian's death. Let me say it loud and clear like you. Whether there are politicians involved, whether there are actors involved, no matter how powerful they are, we will bring them down. And that is the promise of the people of India. You do not do what you have done, the truth will come out. Sushant and Disha's cases are linked. If Mumbai police wants to sleep over it, that is going to be the funeral of
Manasvi, listen. Yeah.
Is the investigation over? Why are we creating a narrative as in the investigation is out? There is nothing left for this investigation.
You start investigating truthfully first. You tell the Mumbai police to tell the people of India.
How do you know that they are not investigating truthfully? There are three theories. One is of suicide, another is of abatement of suicide, third is the murder one. So let the investigation be completed. Let the probe be completed. Let's not come here and say that the investigation is not not going properly. Let us not come here and create pressure on the police.
I think he's only asking a question, Manasvi. Why are you getting so nervous? Something is Ajay Alok, Savio, calm down. Savio, Ajay wants to make up. Ajay, I don't understand. The moment, once Ajay, an observation. The moment you mentioned Disha Salian, party, who was present at the party, will the cell data and the CDR details of those names being circulated in social media be verified? By which police? Did Bollywood stars attend the party? Were there some politician at the party? Did Disha make a phone call after that? How come she attends the party? And if there are politicians and movie stars at a party, and after that she suddenly falls from the 14th floor of a high-rise in the middle of the night on the 8th of June, next morning Riya leaves Sushant. Next day Sushant's sister comes, he says, I want to say something on this, I want to reveal something on it. One version is that Disha called Sushant. Why should there not be? Why do all of you, Vikas, get so nervous the moment one mentions Disha Salian? Why? Why? I want to explain it. Why?
They get jitters.
I'm smiling, I'm smiling. Abhi, just 10 minutes ago, you started the debate.
You can speak.
One of you at a time, please. Ajay, and wait. Vikas, wait, let Ajay speak and then you come.
Disha Salian's
the biggest failure,
we
won't have lost, because just a minute, let me complete, then you can say. We wouldn't have lost Sushant today. Had on 25th February, that WhatsApp message would have been treated like an FIR by Mumbai police and necessary action would have been taken. This is the biggest failure, a beginning of the crime, which was abated by Mumbai police. This you agree, both of you, yes or no?
Absolutely.
Both of you whom you are advocating Mumbai police, both of you agree on this or not? Yes or no? It's simple. We wouldn't have lost Sushant.
I will answer you. I'll answer you. Please first finish this.
25th February message would have been treated as an FIR and investigation would have begun. We wouldn't have lost Disha, neither Sushant.
Without doubt.
Why don't we think that it's a big conspiracy right
now? FIR couldn't have been registered at all.
But it's going on since January.
Ajay, without a doubt, that's a lapse.
Police doesn't have the power to register FIR.
That's not a lapse, that's bigger than a blunder. That's not a lapse, that's bigger than a blunder.
But on the point of investigation, what I want to say is, let the investigation be completed.
Threat of death, Ajay Alok, threat of death is a non-cognizable offence. Police doesn't have the power to register FIR, भैया. कहाँ से करें?
What are you saying?
तो legislator आपके साथ बैठी है.
Go and study law, my friend.
Amend the CRPC.
Are you insane? Are you insane?
What are you saying?
Go and read Delhi High Court judgment of 2019. You don't know law and you're speaking unnecessarily.
The police have an ability to file a preemptive FIR.
The Mumbai police becomes co-accused in this.
If there's a threat to somebody's life, the police can file a preemptive FIR.
Please. That DCP is going to be sacked by the court. Mark my words, the DCP is going to be sacked by the Supreme Court. And they will have to take action against all erring Mumbai police officials on the direction of Supreme Court. Mark my words.
Ravi.
Let the case go to Supreme Court day after tomorrow. This is not
the case is pending before the Supreme Court. Trust the Supreme Court, trust the Home Minister, trust the Prime Minister. You don't trust the Mumbai police, that is evident,
Ravi,
but trust the other investigating authorities, trust the Supreme Court.
At AJKR says yes, the role of the Mumbai police is very suspicious. Joyita Pal _1 says calls for action against such callousness. Who will take action against the Mumbai police? Kapil Pandey says it's the same incompetent government and the same incompetent police which declared the Palghar mob lynching as non-communal without any investigation. They have declared the death of Sushant as a suicide without any investigation. Shashank says reopen the Disha Salian case. Many people asking for a reopening of the Disha Salian case. Now my question is,
Arnab,
Shreya wants to, yeah, Shreya, go on. Make your point, Shreya.
Why we want the investigation shifted immediately or fast enough is because we don't want to lose the evidence. We have heard of cases where evidence has been tampered with. It would not be the first time in the world that that happens. Please understand, whether it is Disha Salian case or the Sushant Rajput case, all the evidentiary forensic have gone to all the forensic evidences have gone to certain hospitals where government people have absolute control. Please try and understand, we need to move fast. If we don't move fast, evidence will be lost. He keeps on saying, Mr. Manaswi, that, oh, let's wait, let them do their job. 45 days, you have not done the job. You are not giving us strength, trust and credibility. And now when evidences are lost, then you let us say, oh, there was nothing. We want to move fast because evidence is, the time is of essence here. Disha Salian died before Sushant Singh Rajput when he heard that she had died.
You know the Disha Salian case, and Andrea has not spoken much. Let me get Andrea to respond to you because her audio link was not good. Manaswi, a minute, please. Andrea has not spoken, so I'm getting her, please, if you don't mind. So Andrea, you know, the Disha Salian case and Sushant are inextricably interlinked, these two cases. Okay, this investigation has to be...
I totally support that because I feel the same, to be honest. I totally support that. I believe it's the same. There is a link. There has to be a link for sure. It cannot be possible. It just cannot be possible. It is ridiculous for Mumbai police to say that they have the complete details are completely deleted. This is absolutely a shame.
Yeah. So Andrea, thank you very much for that. So Ketan, I want to thank you, Andrea. Ketan, therefore, given the increasingly suspicious change of events, can the Sushant case be closed without reopening and reinvestigation the Disha Salian case, Ketan? And why is Uddhav Thackeray not pushing for? He's a chief minister. Doesn't he know what's going on in the state? You tell Ajay Alok, no?
Well,
is there something about the Disha case that Uddhav is nervous about? Okay.
Well, I don't think so. I don't think so. Going by the facts, by what he has said, he has said that A, he doesn't want to make this into a Bihar versus Maharashtra debate, and secondly, he has openly invited all sorts of evidence, and he said that guilties won't be spared. Now, this again may sound very sarcastic to you, but he has said these facts to a private news channel 3 days back.
Why are you going by what he says? You have to see actions of
but not by CBI. What are you talking, Ketan? Our chief minister is taking such a big flag. Mumbai police is such a big flag.
3 days back, I hope Rahul, you saw what he spoke to a private Marathi channel, and as familiar with the language, I think you must have seen that interview. I'm just sticking to the facts of what we have said.
Arnab,
Look at the seriousness he has. As a chief minister, look at the seriousness about this case.
People, or should we look at words of people? Should we hear the words of people, or should we look at the actions of people? What is the action saying? We are not interested in words. Tell us the action. We are not interested in Twitter war and this war and Bihar and versus Mumbai. We want the truth.
Shreya ji, if you allow me to
absolutely
respond to you.
I get your point, lady.
Shreya is her name, please. Thank you. Yeah. Viewers,
can I respond to Shreya ji?
Viewers, you know, were powerful people linked to the death of both Disha Salian and Sushant Singh Rajput?
Undoubtedly.
Disha died by falling from a 14th floor. Right? Now, Sushant was shocked that she died. Did Sushant know something about Disha Salian's death? And then the question is, why was he planning to do a press conference allegedly on it? Is the Bollywood politician pressure a possible reason the Disha Salian case is not being investigated alongside Sushant? You know I'm asking the right question, don't you, Vikas? Don't you? But you're horrified at the same time that we are. Why? Why is Ravi looking uneasy?
No, Arnab,
why is Vikas looking for the next legal
if you read
defense?
Some of the articles of...
I don't read articles, I investigate.
No, listen to me, Arnab. Arnab, listen to me. Just give me 30 seconds. Disha hardly knew Sushant Singh Rajput.
The problem is,
some of the articles which I was reading today says that
Viewers, I want to tell you, we did not stop in the case of Manu Sharma. We did not stop in the case of Rocky Yadav. We did not stop in the case of Vikas Barala. We did not stop in the case of Sunanda Pushkar, and we will not stop. In this case, ladies and gentlemen, the investigation into the Disha Salian case cannot be blocked anymore. We will not stop no matter which Bollywood star, which politician is or is not associated with the case. All eyes are on the Supreme Court. We hope there'll be justice there. We'll be back with much more tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.